ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ವರ್ಕ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಕ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಮರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಫೈರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಗನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ರೊಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ wheel. Option B, a bullet fired by the gun is the correct answer. Next question. A force of 20 Newton displaces an object through 2 meter and does a work of 20 joule. The angle between the force and displacement is option A 60 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 90 degree, option D 0 degree. Answer one option A 60 degree. Next question. A porter raise a 12 kg object from surface of Earth and put object 1.5 meter above from the surface on his head. Calculate the work done on object. G is equal to 10 meter per second minus 2. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 180 ಜೌಲ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 12 kg and gravitational ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10 to the power of 10 meters square and height ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1.5 meter. Then so work ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Work done is equal to mgh formula. You can calculate 180 joule. Next question. If an aeroplane traveled 4000 meter distance and work done is 20,000 joule, then force applied on it is ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 5 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 15 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 0.20 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 10 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 5 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 5 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Next question. The gravitational potential energy of an object at a point above the ground is defined as the work done in option A lifting it from the ground to the point opposite to the gravity, B option B applying gravitational force on it, option C keep it at the center, option D placing it on the ground of against the gravity. So option A correct. Lifting it from the ground to the point opposite to gravity. Next question. The work done to increase speed 5 meter per second to 10 meter per second by a car of 800 kg is option A 30 kilojoule, option B 40 kilojoule, option C 20 kilojoule, option D 10 kilojoule. So the work done ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಾಗ work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. So formula half into m into v2 square minus v1 square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 30 kilojoule ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 30 kilojoule. Next, an object of 1 kg is dropped to the ground from the height of 30 meter. What is the work done by the force of gravity? ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಜಿ ಇಂಟು ಹೆಚ್. ಸೊ ಮಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1 kg ಅಂಡ್ ಜಿ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10 ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 30. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 300 joule. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. A person picks up 20 kg of goods at 2 meter above the ground and keeps it on his head. Work done by the person is. Same question. W is equal to mass in mgh ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 20 kg, 10 kg 10 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 meter. ಸೊ 400 joule. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Next, an object of 1 kg raised 10 meter above the surface of the earth, then work done by gravitational force will option A 98 joule, option B minus 9.8 joule, option C 9.8 joule, option D minus 98 joule. Answer ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು option D minus 98 joule. Next question. A man raised 20 kg object from the surface of the earth and put the object 2 meter above on his head. Calculate the work done by the man is. The third W is equal to mh formula converted 20 kilometer mass and 2 meter is 10 is the gravitational height. It is 2, so 400 joule is the answer. Next question. When an object move 1 meter distance by 1 Newton force on the direction of the force, then work done will option A 10 joule, option B 100 joule, option C 0.01 joule, option D 1 joule. So hence the work done is equal to 1 joule. So answer D, correct answer. Next, work done by a man standing on a platform holding a 10 kg suitcase is. So formula work done is equal to force into displacement number. So work done is equal to 0. Option B 0 joule is the correct answer. Next ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು RRB ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಗೆ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ if the value of work is positive, then the kinetic energy of the body. Option A degrees is energy. Option B its value will be 0. Option C it will stay. Option D increases energy. Option D increases energy. Next question. Which of the following position is no work done? Option A Kapil stands with a weight of 10 kg on his shoulder. Option B Sachin walks 4 kilometers. Option C a porter carries freight from a bus to a car. Option D Arun plays cricket on the field. Option A Kapil stands with a weight of 10 kg on his shoulder. Next, the work done by the force is positive when option A displacement occurs in the direction of force. Option B displacement is perpendicular to the force. Option C there is no displacement due to the force. Option D displacement occurs in opposite direction of force. Option A displacement occurs in the direction of force. Next question. Which of the following activities can be said to have work done? Option A Arsh is reading the book. Option B Pinky is walking on a flat road with a book on her head. Option C Shruti is sitting on the chair. Option D Kushi is pushing the wall of the house but fails to do it. So answer option B Pinky is walking on a flat road with a book on her head. Next question. A porter lifts 500 Newton up to a distance of 100 meters. Work done by the porter is option A 50 Newton, option B 0.20 Newton, option C 0 Newton, option D 5 Newton. So option C 0 Newton corresponds. In which of the following work is not done? Option A windmill raising the water from well. Option B a donkey put a weight on his back. Option C someone is swimming in a pool. Option D an engine is pulling a train. Option B a donkey put a weight on his back. Next, efficiency of work is known as option A energy, option B velocity, option C force, option D speed. Efficiency of a work is known as a energy, option A correct. Next question. If the work done is zero, then the angle between the force and the displacement is option A 0 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 45 degree, option D 30 degree. So if the work done is zero, then the displacement and velocity force on the displacement is 90 degree. Next question. 20 Newton force is acting on your body. Body moves 4 meter in direction of applied force. Then the work done is option A 80 watt, 80, option B 80 Pascal, option C 80 Newton, option D 80 Joule. So option D 80 Joule correct. A worker takes 15 kg objects and put the object 1 meter above on his head on the surface of the earth. Then work done by the worker is option A 155 joule, option B 150 joule, option C 140 joule, option D 100 joule. So option D 150 joule. Work present if there is option A force, option B energy, option C friction, option D power, option A force. Work present if there is a force. Next question. If a displacement is horizontal to the applied force, then work done is option A 0, option B negative, option C positive, option D neutral, option C positive. If the displacement is horizontal to the applied force, then work done is positive. Next question. Which of the following work done does not depend? Which of the following work done does not depend? Applied force, option A. Option B, mass of the object. Option C, displacement. Option D, the angle between the force and the displacement. Option B, mass of the object. Group ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಸತಿ 3 ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 2018 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Next question. Which of the following the work done by a body does not depend on? Initial velocity of an object, displacement, option C, the angle between the force and the displacement, option B, applied force, option A, initial velocity of the object. Which of the following the work done by body does not depend on the initial velocity of the object? Correct answer. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸುಮಾರು ಸತಿ RRB ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ. Next question. A worker raised a 10 kg object from the ground and put 1.2 meter above on his head. Then work done is option A 120 joule, option B 155 joule, option C 150 joule, option D 140 joule, option A 120 joule correct answer. Work known as option A force into displacement, option B mass into acceleration, option C length into width, option D mass into volume. So work known as work is equal to force into displacement, option A correct. Next question. The work done by an object is 56 joule. Applied force on an object is 7 Newton. Find the displacement. So given work W is equal to 56 joule will be given and the displacement will be found. F is equal to force is equal to 7. So work done is equal to work is equal to force into displacement. 56 displacement is 8 meter. Next, 10 Newton force is working on an object. Object is displaced 5 meter in the direction of applied force. Then work done is Option A 50 Newton, option B minus 50 Newton, option B 50 Joule, option D minus 50 Newton. Here given force is equal to 10 Newton, displacement B is equal to 5 meter. So work is equal to force into displacement. So 15 Joule. Answer is okay, option C 50 Joule. If the next question, if the force F is equal to 0, then work done W is equal to 0. Option B correct answer. Force is 0 means work done is equal to 0 because work is equal to force into displacement. So 0 into 0. A porter picks up 12 kg of goods from the ground and places it on his head 1.5 meter above the ground, then work the goods to be done by him. Option A 140 joule, option B 150 joule, option C 180 joule, 50 joule. Given mass is equal to 12 kg and gravitational is equal to 10 and then height is equal to 1.5 meter. So work done is equal to formula mgh. So mass is given 12 and into 10 and into 1.5. Get an answer 180 joule. Next question. The force of 25 Newton is working on an object. That object is moved in the direction of force by 5 meter. The work done by the force is option A 125 joule, option B 125 meter, option C 125 joule, option D 125 Pascal. So answer option C 125 joule. Here force is equal to 25 Newton will be given and the displacement is 5 meter will be given. So work done is equal to force into displacement. So 25 into 5 is equal to 125 joule. Next question. When a man pushes a wall but fails to displace it, it does a positive work. B. Option B. Negative work. Option C. Most positive work. Option D. No any work. So option D is the correct answer. No any work. Next question. To say that the work has been done, two conditions must be completed. One of them is a force is not required. Option B. Object must be displaced. Option C. There should be no absorption and emission of energy. Option D. There should be no change in condition of the object. So option B. Object must be displaced. Next question. The product of the force and displacement is called option A. Momentum. Option B. Acceleration. Option C. Work. Option D. Burden. So option C, work. So work is equal to force into displacement. Next, the work is a product of energy and volume, power and displacement, force and displacement of object towards the direction of force, displacement object in the direction of force. So option C, force and the displacement of an object move towards the direction of the force. Next question. If a stationary force applied onto an object, the object moved in the direction of force is expressed as a result of force and displacement. It is called option A retardament, option B work done, option C impulse, option D acceleration. So option D work done is the correct answer. Next question. Work is done on a body only when option A it experiences energy gain through a mechanical effect. Option B forces work on it. Option C there is no displacement. Option D it moves through a certain distance. So option A it experiences energy gain through a mechanical effect. Next question. What is the work done if the angle between applied force and the direction of the displacement is 90 degree? Option A disintegrated, option B negative, option C positive, option D zero. Option B zero is the correct answer. Option D zero. Next question. The ability of an object to do the work energy contained in an object, it depends on the option A mass and volume of the object, option B motion of the object in a certain direction, option C state and condition of the object, option D the magnitude and the direction of the object. So option C state and condition of the object. Next question. A worker takes 10 kg of goods from the ground, puts it on 1.1 meter above land and is at. What will be the work done by the worker? Work done is equal to mass into M is equal to M into G into H. So here mass will be given 10 kg and G is 10 meters per second square and H is 1.1 meter. So 10 into 10 into 11 by 10, we get the 110 joules. Next question. A moving car faces the wind in the opposite direction. What will be the work done by wind on the car? Option A negative, option B zero, option C infinite, option D positive. So option A negative. When a car in a motion faces the wind in the opposite direction, then the force exerted on the car by the wind acts opposite of the displacement of the car. So therefore, the angle between the direction and the applied force of the displacement car is 180 degree. So the work done by the hair on the car will be negative. Next question. A girl whose weight is 200 Newton climbs on a tree which height is 2 meters. What was the work done by the girl after climbing the tree? So weight is equal to the mg. So H is equal to potential energy 200 joule, 400 joule. Option B 400 joule is the correct answer. Next question. What is the amount of work done when an object moves under a force of 10 Newton at a distance of 10 meter in the direction of force? Option A 1 joule, option B 10 joule, option C 100 joule, option D 0.01 joule. So answer is equal to 100 joule. So option C correct answer. Next, if an object not moving after applying a force, then we can say that option A maximum power has used, option B work has done, option C minimum power has used, option D any work has not done, option D any work has not done. Next question. If the displacement of an object is zero, then the work done by the applied force is also zero. Next, the work done is zero with zero displacement. Next, which of the following is not a characteristic of work? Work as a direction. For option B, for doing a work it necessary to apply force of an object. Option C, work as only magnitude. Option D, for a work done there should be a displacement of an object. So option A, work as a direction.